Hello children, welcome to session 2 of chapter 8 Exploring the Internet. In our previous session, we have learned about e-commerce, people involved in e-commerce, different modes of e-commerce, advantages of e-commerce, payment system used in the e-commerce process, and about the online shopping. Now in this session we are going to discuss about the topic video conferencing. Now as you all know that video conferencing nowadays is used by maximum number of people. Video conferencing is a highly convenient use of technology that allows users in different locations to hold face-to-face meetings without even going to that single place. It is often used by big corporate companies. For example, like if two group of people are sitting in two different cities or in two different places, then they can interact with each other, they can talk to each other, even they can talk face to face with each other through the video conferencing softwares, and that too very easily. You can see from the pictures. And the softwares which are used for video conferencing nowadays are Zoom cloud meetings, like we have Microsoft Meeting. These are the softwares which are basically used for the video conferencing purpose, and it's a very nice tool used through the internet. Now next we come on to the topic news groups. Now what are news groups? News groups basically refers to the different places on the internet where people are allowed to exchange their thoughts and opinions on different topics. In news groups, you can even send and receive messages and post your questions and reply to the questions posted through the another news groups. You can even reply to the another messages, the messages posted by the other persons. You can give your suggestions also on others articles, on other news groups. You can even receive those messages and you can give your opinions also on different topics. There are so many news groups available and you can use them. Now next we come on to the topic online reservation. As the name specifies, online reservation. Online reservation means you can reserve your tickets like air tickets or the train tickets through internet, through your mobiles, through your laptops, through your PCs. Like the websites which are used for the online reservations, like we have the websites as irctc.co.in. It is used for the booking purpose of train tickets. We have so many websites available for the air ticket bookings also. You don't have to go to that particular place. You don't have to go to the stations for booking the ticket. You don't have to go to the airports for booking the tickets. It's very convenient. Sitting at home, you can book the tickets very easily and in a very less time. Like we have the websites available for the online booking is makemytrip.com, irctc.co.in, yatra.com, and there are so many websites which are available for online reservation. But before that, for online reservation, you should have your own login ID and password. Now next we come on to the blogs. Now what is the meaning of blogs? A blog is a word which is derived from the word web log. Basically, it's a type of a website which is usually managed by an individual. A blog generally contains text, pictures, web pages, links and other materials related to a particular topic. Like if you want to have your own blog, you can have that. So many websites are there which gives you the facility of creating the blogs. Basically, people normally uses the personal blogs. There are so many type of blogs available like the corporate blogs and mobile mob blogs, but personal blog is in most in use. And all the blogs are managed by an individual. You can have your own text, you can have your own images. For example, you want to add your own blog related to the cooking. You have the cooking habit, you are in a hobby of cooking, you can add your own recipes, and you can have the suggestions of other people. um, you can have the views of other people on your blogs. Even you can give your own views on other ones blogs. So these all things can be done through the blogs. The basic blog structure you can see over here, students, like it should have the header. You can give the heading part. Then it should have the main content where you can post your pictures and links and everything. Then we have the sidebar. Then we have the footer where you can write down your names and other things. Now next we are going to see the what are the advantages of blogging. Advantages of blogging includes it is used to share opinions and thoughts. Next is it allows people to interact with one another. It is a method to get general feedback, and it builds a writer's profile, talents and expertise. Means like as I told you as an example, like you have the cooking hobby. You can post your recipes over there, you can post the images, you can post the links, and if you want to feedback, if you want to get the feedback of other people's on your recipes, then it can be easily done through the blogs. It builds a writer's profile means कि you can show your आप अपना talent show कर सकते हैं. आप whatever you know that you can show, you can write over there कि what you are in good in what thing, and what are the expert or what are the talented side of yours, that also you can show through the blogs. There are so many blog sites available, like WordPress is there, Weebly, LiveJournal, Blogger, Tumblr. Now next is social networking. I think everyone is aware of this particular term, social networking, and nowadays we are also using this particular term. We are so much in use of this social networking. There are so many social networking sites available, like we are most of us are using Facebooks, and then WhatsApp, and then Twitter also. There are so many social networking sites which are available, and most of the 99% people are using these social networking sites for their day-to-day work and for day-to-day communications also. So what is social networking? Social networking means it's a type of online community for the internet users. People of common interest, hobbies, and with the political views can communicate with each other in through this social networking sites. There are some few social networking sites, as I told you, like Instagram is there, YouTube is there, where you can post your own videos, and then we have the Facebook where you can interact with your friends and relatives. You can search for your friends. Then we have WhatsApp may we can chat also, we can post the images, we can post the links. There are so many things which you can do with the WhatsApp. So these are all the social networking sites available. Then what are the advantages of social networking? Social networking, there are so many advantages, students. As we all know, photos and albums can be added of our choice. We can search and browse for our friends and relatives. Songs and videos can be uploaded very easily through the YouTube. And there are so many things others. We can chat and do video calling also, like sitting at your home. You can do the video chat with your friends sitting in another countries or another cities very easily. We have so many softwares available for that also. Now with this we come on to our topic, we come on to the end of the topic. Now there are two assignment questions which I am giving you. The first one is find out the names of few blog slides, and the second one is you have to create a chart on at least 4 social networking logos. Like for example, you can take the logo of Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, like that. Thank you, children.